Good evening, everybody. November 6th, 2021. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Weekend action, as always, is kind of weird. We kind of just died all day on, earlier today and overnight, and now we're kind of pumping here. So it's weird. There's no way around that. This is very weird action. We should have done, if we were going to go up to the top of here, we really should have held the bottom of this trend line. We kind of came down below it a little bit, but now we're back up through it. So, I mean, it's possible it still goes up from here, I suppose, and then comes down. There's certainly nothing in any of this action in here indicating that we are ready to break a new all-time high. At this point in time, I don't see that as being a possibility. I do think we need to revisit these lows here, or potentially a lower low still. It is potentially, maybe we're doing an A, B, C down. So we're in like a B wave right now. So that being the case, if you wanted to take some protective shorts, this wouldn't be a bad place to do it. But like I said, it is possible that we still come up here a little higher. So it's certainly not a safe place, really, in my opinion, to do anything. But I do think the most likely scenario is that we're getting A, B, and C. So that kind of depends on where, how high B goes here. But let's say we already struck the top, just playing devil's advocate here. Let's say we already struck the top, and that would give us a target box like that for the C wave. So again, that kind of overlaps really nicely with this area here that we've been looking at, just to kind of retest those lows. So that is a possibility there. But I'm certainly not going to give you high probability of anything right now with this action that we're seeing right now. So I really don't have a high probability of anything happening at this point in time, but that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. ABC down, maybe just to the double bottom. Maybe we avoid the lower lows. That's a potential. We could certainly see just that overlap right there of that 58K range. So I'm personally not doing anything with this at the moment. I am waiting. And like I said, still sitting in my buys from significantly lower down. And I'll start getting aggressive on this if and when it can actually strike a bottom and prove that it has struck a bottom by doing an impulse up off of it. So I don't believe that time has come yet. All right, that's pretty much the update for tonight. I'm going to be away most of the day tomorrow. But I'll check in tomorrow night again and be able to do the video tomorrow evening. All right, good night, everybody.